Tule boats by Annabel Goldman. Native Americans of California made Tule boats for fishing and water transportation. Tule boats were made by tribes that lived near lakes, marshes, creeks, and ponds where tules grow. The Ohlone Indians of California and other tribes near San Francisco Bay made Tule boats. Tule boats were used to travel to nearby islands. On the nearby islands, they would gather bird eggs. Tule boats were used for fishing and searching for other food. A man could stand or kneel and hunt for waterfowl, turtles, and eggs. Tule boats were important to the Native Americans of California. Here are directions for how you make a Tule boat. First, you will need to gather Tule reeds or rushes. Look for the longest rushes. They need to be at least 10 feet. Make 5 or more bundles by wrapping grapevines around them. Make sure they taper at the ends. Form a canoe-like shape by tying them together. Tie the bundles together about every foot and wrap the thin ends. And now your Tule boat is done.